I have always liked this color on these cars. It's a 396 if I'm reading that right. Good Lord. I used to go to high school with a guy that had one of this color. I think I videoed this car before. God, I love this car. Four speed too, man.
Yeah, oh yeah. I did. I seen some red. I'm like, this is the color I wanted. And this one is like, it's a shell. And I'm like, okay, this is like 3 feet per
Oh, what a beautiful car.
That's actually a better.
This is kind of, you know, I do paint work for a living. I'm not familiar with the actual name of this color, but it's got a little bit of green in it. If I was to have to tint this and try to repair a panel.
Very correct. But I redone the whole suspension. Doing it yourself. Me and a couple buddies that work. They're also.
I think, guys, I think I'm gonna go take a break, grab me a bite to eat, and come back out and grab some more cars. I need to get this Impala right here. We'll get it here in a little bit.
Now it's all the same car.
Nice, very nice.